Hey, you guys, it's time for a Dollar Tree haul. I went to several stores to check out what they had. They have lots of new stuff in stationery, in summer, and even in home. I'm gonna show you what I bought in this video. Starting off with some summer finds for the beach. We usually get these once a year because my kids' feet grow, and so I needed to get some new ones for my 11-year-old. My 9-year-old, I'm not so sure. I need to measure her, but I'm not sure which one. So we have women's. She wears women's now, 5, 6 small, and then women's 7, 8 medium. She really likes the pineapple, so if she ends up wearing this size, then I'll probably have to find these or find this size in pineapples. She'll wear these to the beach when we go to the pool, whenever she's maybe doing water play, water balloons, that kind of thing outside, and they work perfectly for that. And I did get some sandals for my 9-year-old. These are the kid sizes in watermelon. I thought those were really cute. Ended up being very curious about these Boogie Balloons as seen on TV kind of product, so I got 2 of them because there's 2 each inside of them, and so they're supposed to be reusable water balloons. You fill them, seal them, throw them, repeat. I don't know if I think they're soft. Yeah, they're silicone, so they're not supposed to be like a hard plastic to hurt. So very curious to see if these are going to work, because that could be a lot of fun for summertime play. So if you see them, you might want to try them, give them a shot. I've been seeing some people on Instagram talk about ones they bought on Amazon, so we're going to give those a try. Similar concept. I did get some of these water balls for the pool. There's 2 different sizes of the large and then the 4 smaller ones. Essentially, these are sponges that are wrapped in fabric, so they absorb the water and you throw them and use them in the pool. Did get a refill on bubbles. My 9-year-old was complaining that we are out of bubbles. This is the larger one that's 32 ounces. You can get smaller containers there too, but this is the largest one that they have. I feel like they were bigger before in the past. Not 100% sure, but this is by far the best deal. I did want to try these out. I don't have enough to do a dollar toy test just yet, so I'm going to hold on to them for a little bit. But these are the RC Drift Racers in their remote control cars. They had several different colors. Look for the stickers because some of them didn't have the stickers on there very nicely. They were kind of off. I'm maybe a perfectionist in that way. I got red and blue, and there was also a green, and it does not include batteries. I want to see if these work because they look promising. So many new stationery things, and I actually liked these little blank books. I got the one with lined pages. This one was the Good Things book, and I use it for work, and I needed to take notes for clients and things like that. And I go through, I've actually been using the blank page, like the completely blank page books from the Target dollar section for kids. And so this would actually be an upgrade. So I like this one a lot. And then I also got the other one that's the notes, and it's the same exact thing. And they had ones that didn't have any lines in them. Some notepads, there's 3 in here, the pink, blue, and yellow. And these are just great to have on hand, and we don't have any more anywhere. 50 sheets on each pad, and I like the size too. This size does really well in my house. And then I got some shipping labels. So this is a full piece of sticker paper, basically just a blank shipping label. I use them to ship things, but also I'll use them for just a variety of things, and I'll cut them to size that I need. So I ran out of those, and I hadn't seen them in the store for a long time, so I thought this would be a good time to get them because I saw them. So surprised to see these huge packages of praying colored pencils. They are 36 to a package, 3.3 millimeter, and I looked them up on Amazon. I also looked them up on some other stores, and they cost quite a bit more. They have mixed reviews. I just feel like colored pencils, they get used so fast and quickly, and so this will be really great. I'm going to keep one on hand for the school year because I'm feeling we might need them for school supplies, and then I'm going to also let the girls use them for their art projects. We do some color mosaics, mystery color mosaics, and we do so other various art projects. So this will be a great addition to that. And then I found the Ultra Clean washable markers, the Color Max ones, 8-count Crayola, and these usually cost more. So normally these don't go on sale for back to school. The past several years, the normal classic colors that aren't washable usually go on sale for 99 cents at back to school time. These don't. So when I found them, I just wanted to grab them. I have a project in mind that I wanted to use these specifically for, so hopefully that will work out. And then I went to another store and actually found the 50 pack. I didn't know the 50 pack actually existed. So I'd already bought the 36, and then I saw the 50 pack, so I went ahead and got the 50 pack. Probably end up donating a couple of them to my kids' school in their art program, but that was pretty cool to see the 50 pack there. In office, I got another pair of scissors because mine have disappeared somewhere and I cannot find them. And it's the Westcott brand, which is a name brand, just a little bit, I would say a little bit lower quality than what you would find in like a Walmart where you'd buy these. Had a whole bunch of different colors colors too, and different sizes. I believe they had an 8-inch and a 7-inch. Got some more Scotch tape. I always pick it up there because I am always there. Some storage containers. These are the 8-piece plastic ones. I'm thinking I'm going to put some jewelry findings in here and then put them inside the bigger container just so that I can take them out more easily, and I'll probably lay them on their side. They do make similar containers in glass, and then they do make other ones that are a little bit taller. So these are the short ones that come 8 to pack. I think the taller ones might be 6. Grab these little Jot bingo markers. This is for an experiment for the purple alphabet. I wanted to see if they work for one, and then also I wanted to do a little project with these. I think it'd be a great value if they do work. I will put all of that onto Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I know a lot of you write and say you don't have an Instagram account, but you can see my account. It's public without having an account. So that's just something to keep in mind. But if you do have an Instagram account, follow me because I put a lot of things on there before I put them over here on YouTube as a YouTube short. So if you want to see those reels first, check Instagram. Oh, and these are bingo daubers. Each one's a different color. We have the purple, the red, and the blue. They had a couple other colors, brown and green, I think, but they would be great for some art projects. Speaking of art, I ended up getting some glue sticks. These are the giant glue sticks. You can get a package of the mini ones, which are half the size and smaller in diameter. There's only 5 pieces in here. We just did a school project where we used most of our glue sticks in our cordless glue gun. So I wanted to just have some of those so if we have another project comes up, I have these already ready to go. Did get a little baby gift bag because I'm going to a baby shower soon, and some tissue. Note how many pieces are in each tissue package. This one had 35. There was one that had 24 that was just a few pastel colors, but that was the same colors that were in here in this multi-pack, so that was a little silly. And then they have like the fancier ones that just cost a lot more and you get less. So always look to see how many are in the package. I like this one because you get all of these colors, and 35, it's like the best value. And of course, always get your gift bags at Dollar Tree. It makes sense. Did get some plain gift bags. These are kind of like in a golden, I mean, they look brown, but they're kind of a golden cast to them. And there's 3 in here, and they're just like an average size. I actually wanted to decorate these, get crafty with them, and maybe customize them. Time to do a little book tree. I happened to walk in on a really good day. They had just stocked the books. I hadn't seen so many books in a long time, especially paperbacks. So as usual, I always will scan these into Goodreads app or into Amazon to get the reviews. I have picked a lot of probably murder mystery ones, thrillers. We have this After Sundown. These are the paperbacks. Don't Look, A Dangerous Breed. Oh, and here is the gift card for the baby shower that I was going to. So I got a card. Love getting cards at Dollar Tree too. The Ambassador's Daughter, Every Bone a Prayer, Paris in Red Silk. This is actually a book number 2 or 3, but we'll try it out. Trust Me When I Lie, and then The Charm Bracelet. 8 books, not a bad price at $1.25 each. If you've read any of these, let me know. I always like hearing if you've read them. Sometimes you guys will write and say, yeah, that's a good one, and it just really makes me happy to hear that I got a really good price on them. I need to get to reading. Went ahead and got my Father's Day cards. Not a lot of stores were carrying them right now, but they seem to be, maybe 2 out of the 6 stores I went to had them so far. They still had a lot of Mother's Day, so they should be switching over pretty soon. They have the ones that are 2 for $1 and the ones that are $1.25, which are usually the ones that have all of the the nicer things on them. A few odds and ends. I did pick up some paper plates. There's 40 in here. We use these when we need to grab something to go, take it with us in the car. We ran out, but normally I get those at Walmart. It's a better value, but I was there, so I got it. These are a cool find. Exfoliating bath cloths, and my husband is actually the one who turned these on to me from a long time ago. This one's coconut infused. This one is lavender infused. I really don't care about the scents. They have a really rough texture on them, and they're nice and long. They're oblong, and so they're really good for making sure you scrub your back. My girls use this style. My husband uses this style. This is actually a cool find to see at Dollar Tree. I did get a little lotion hand cream, Utterly Smooth. We keep this in our car, and it's good stuff. I like this brand a lot. And then I got a little package of sugar-free candies. I try to stay away from sugar, and so this caramel just was calling my name, so I had to get it. Some Kleenex tissues. I prefer the Kleenex brand over the other one. If you get the generic brand, there'll be 6 in the package versus the 3. And then this little Scrub Buddies scrubber with the handle. Also has a little place here to hang it if you wanted to. This comes in really handy when cleaning. If you like this video, I have another one up here on the screen for you to go watch next. I will see you over there. Make sure to click subscribe to see more videos like this and give me a thumbs up to show your love.